How to sell cryptocurrency on Binance P2P in Thailand. A step-by-step guide. Cryptocurrency trading has gained immense popularity in Thailand, and Binance P2P, peer-to-peer, offers a seamless way for users to sell their crypto assets directly to other users. The platform supports a wide range of payment methods, including local Thai banks, making it a convenient option for sellers in Thailand. Here's a step-by-step guide to selling cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. Step 1. Register and verify your Binance account. Before you can use Binance P2P, ensure you have a Binance account. Follow these steps. Sign up. Visit the Binance website or app and create an account if you don't already have one. Complete KYC verification. Binance requires identity verification, KYC, to ensure compliance with regulations. Provide your government-issued ID and complete the necessary verification steps. Step 2. Access Binance P2P. Once your account is verified, access the P2P trading platform. Open the Binance app or website. Navigate to the Trade section and select P2P. Choose the Sell tab to view a list of available buyers. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency and payment method. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, e.g. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, from the drop-down menu. Filter the buyers based on your preferred payment method, such as Thai bank transfer, to ensure smooth transactions. Step 4. Choose a buyer. Browse through the list of buyers. Consider the following factors when selecting a buyer. Reputation. Check the buyer's completion rate and feedback score. Price. Compare the offered prices and choose the most competitive one. Order limits. Ensure the buyer's order limit matches the amount you wish to sell. Click Sell once you've identified a suitable buyer. Step 5. Set the order details. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, or the equivalent amount in Thai baht, THB. Review the buyer's payment terms carefully and confirm your order. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the buyer to make the payment. Once the payment is received in your specified bank account or wallet, confirm it on your end. Binance holds the cryptocurrency in escrow until you verify the payment, ensuring both parties' safety. Important: double-check your bank account to confirm the payment before releasing the cryptocurrency. Scams can occur if you release the crypto without verifying payment. Step 7. Release the cryptocurrency. After confirming payment, click Release Crypto to transfer the cryptocurrency to the buyer's account. The transaction is now complete. Step 8. Leave feedback. Leaving feedback helps build trust within the Binance P2P community. Rate the buyer and leave comments about your experience. Tips for safe P2P trading in Thailand. Verify payment before releasing crypto. Always confirm that the payment has been credited to your bank account before releasing cryptocurrency. Avoid off-platform communication. Stick to Binance's chat feature to ensure all communication is recorded for security purposes. Check Thai bank holidays. Be mindful of bank holidays in Thailand, as they may affect payment processing times. Why use Binance P2P in Thailand? No transaction fees. Binance P2P does not charge fees for buyers or sellers. Local payment methods. Supports Thai banks, prompt pay, and other local payment options. Secure transactions. Binance's escrow system protects both buyers and sellers. Selling cryptocurrency on Binance P2P in Thailand is a straightforward process, offering a secure and flexible way to convert digital assets into Thai baht. With this guide, you can navigate the platform confidently and make successful transactions.